Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the 2026 Chrysler Pacifica versus the new one. And I want to talk about the design real quick. This is just going to be a short video, but I want to go over the two vehicles and talk about just how minor of a refresh this was. Now, if you look at the 2026, I actually like this van a lot. Yeah, it looks contemporary. It looks, just like it has for a while, but I like the looks. I like the little chrome accents here and there. And again, these aren't real chrome. They're like a satin chrome. It's not like blinged out chrome. But I like the Chrysler logo, how it says Chrysler on it with the wing badge. I like the DRLs. Simple. Contemporary, but simple. Looks very elegant. I think that front end looks elegant compared to the new one. Now, if we go over to the new one, here's where it gets kind of funny. These are LED marker lights, but these are the headlamps down here. If you look across the front, you can see that the whole crossbar is illuminated with the new Chrysler logo, which doesn't have Chrysler on it. Again, they're kind of go for this like Tesla kind of look for the front of the vehicle. And again, it doesn't look bad in person, but when you see these vehicles up close, you're going to notice there isn't much change. Look at the hood, for example. As you can see, the contours in the hood, it's the same. They didn't even change the hood design. It's the same hood. Wheel design on these select models. Here's the wheels for 2027. And here's the wheels for 2026. The difference, center caps. That's it. That's really it. Look at the sides of the vehicles. They're identical. Same mirrors, same everything. If we go back here and come to the back, you're gonna notice the new logo. The actual tail lamps, they said they changed the design of it. They didn't. It's the same. The same looks. These are the same exact trim. Both are select all-wheel drive models. Same color. And you can't tell them apart other than the front end styling. So, really, this has to be the biggest, I would say, the littlest minor refresh I have ever seen on a vehicle. Inside, the only difference is that steering wheel cover, the actual airbag cover. That's it. Everything else is the same. We'll go look at the other one real quick. And you can see just how little of a change there is. You can see the steering wheel. Same thing. So again, I don't think it's a bad change. I'm not a huge fan of this front end as I am this one. And yeah, it might be going for a little more of the, Kia crossover look. But when you look at this line here, this line and that line, all this is new. The rest of the van is totally the same. So tell me, what van do you like better? The 06 or 26 or the 27? Leave your comments below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.